Hey, Cardi lovers, are you ready to upgrade your car's interior? Today, we're going to show you a top-selling star product, Innova Hycross Ambient. Advanced craftsmanship for superior durability and tactile finish. Control with 256 plus colors and dynamic modes wear application. Zero risk installation. Easy plug-and-play installation for seamless OEM finish. Multiple style options. Can choose original silver color trims or upgrade to cool piano black. Multiple package available. 3 options for selection: 17 in 1, 19 in 1, and 21 in 1 to fit diverse individual needs and preference. Personalized customization service for unique needs, specific patterns, and packaging designs are available with MOQ. Send us a private message for details. Join Cardi families. Choose a brand trusted by million car lovers.